So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to add Discord to OBS Studio. This is pretty easy, so let's get started right away. So what we want to do is we want to search up Discord Stream Kit on Google. And this is a sort of overlay that you will add to your OBS. So yeah, once you're here, we are going to click on this link right here, Discord Stream Kit Overlay. And once you're here, you want to click on Install for OBS. And for me, it will already open up just like this. But for you, it will sort of like give a message on Discord itself that says, do you want to connect to? And then just click on, connect. So yeah, right here, you can select a server. So I'm going to select this server right here. And this is the status widget. And the status widget will just show the sort of like, a server picture, the name, the amount of people online, and the Discord link right here. That is what the status widget will do. You can add an invite channel, so the different channels right here. You can change the text size however you want to. You can change the text color. You can just mess around with these settings. We can also add a chat widget, and this is the server. So we're going to select a text channel. For example, let's say this channel right here. You can you can see that this is the text channel, which will be added to your stream as an overlay. And we can also go to the voice widget, and we want to select a voice channel. Let's say this voice channel right here, and I will immediately join that voice channel as well. And as you can see, I'm talking right now, and everyone that will join that voice channel will pop up on this overlay on your stream. And if you are with like 3 people, you can just leave it like this. But if like let's say 20 people will join, you can also select small avatars, or hide names, or show speaking users only. You can just once again mess around with all this stuff just like this. And once you're basically done with all this, you can just select one of these widgets. You can copy this link just like this, click on copy, then go to OBS, and this is our we are recording this right now, as you can see. So what you want to do is you want to select your the one you are streaming right now. So I'm just streaming on this. You want to click on this plus icon. You want to click on browser right here. Click on OK. And right here at the URL, we want to play or copy or paste the link of what we have just copied. So then just click on OK, and this will add the overlay right there at the top left corner, as you can see. Yeah, that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.